Please authorize. Add normal user. Please press 1. Add administrator. Please press 2. Delete user. Please press 3. System management. Please press 4. Network settings. Please press 5. Return to unlock function. Please press 1. Anti. Please press 2. Always unlock settings. Please press 1. Auto lock settings. Please press 2. Oblique tongue lockback settings. Please press 3. Body induction settings. Please press 4. Unlock mode settings. Please press 5. Child lock mode settings. Please press 6. Return to superior menu. Enable child lock mode. Please press 1. Disable child lock mode. Please press 2. Return to superior menu. Please press asterisk key. Child lock function opened. Enable child lock mode. Please child lock function closed. Enable child lock meet successful. Press number delete. Please press add